Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to reset Windows 11 to factory settings. So everyone, here is a full guide on how to reset your Windows 11 to factory settings step by step, and also this works whether you want to keep your files or fully wipe everything. So everybody, I will note some important things before you begin. So at first you will need to backup your important files to an external drive or cloud, for example OneDrive, Google Drive, etc. And ensure your device is plugged in if a laptop, and make sure you know your Microsoft account login infos, especially if BitLocker encryption is enabled. So after that, everybody, I want you just go and click on the Windows icon that's located on the taskbar. And after that, just look for settings and tap on it, the gear icon. Alright, so right here, as you can see everyone, we are presented with a menu in the left hand. So just go on it and click on system. And right here, scroll down until you can see recovery option. Tap on it, and then you will see, or you will be able to see, an option that says reset this PC. So go with reset PC, and right here you will need to choose an option from these two options. Either you want to keep your files or remove or wipe everything. So for example, I will go with keep my files, and then again I want, or I should pick one option from these two. So I will go, for example, with cloud download, and then just go with next, and that's how you can reset your Windows 11. So everyone, that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.